This is for Atif and Nabil both. And Atif, when you have your pre-boards?
So my first pre-board's finished, and now I'm having my practicals.
Okay, your practicals are going on. Okay. That's good. Okay, so Atif and Nabil both, please reply me on the chat box, okay? So that we can start the same chapter first. Or it's your wish, you can tell me tomorrow which chapter you want to complete, okay? Okay, Atif, integral and differential equations. Okay, Nabil, will you please message me on the chat box? Application of derivative. Okay, integration, vector algebra, 3D differential equations. Okay, a long list. So what we can do, first we will complete the second part. Okay, so we can take 3D tomorrow. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
do you have a school tomorrow, Nabil and Atif?
I have a practical sir tomorrow.
You have practical. Same with you, Atif?
No, sir, I don't have tomorrow. I'll have on Monday.
Okay, then you have one day. In one day, please complete all the questions of 3D, and if you will get the time, solve some previous year questions. Okay, but first complete the assignments, and tomorrow we will I will check your doubts, and after that we will do some previous year questions. Okay, so first we'll do some questions of probability distribution. Please try this question from a lot of 10 items containing containing three effective a sample of 4 items is drawn at random. Let the random variable x denote the number of effective items in the sample. If the sample is drawn randomly, find first the probability distribution of x, the probability distribution of x. Okay, second, probability x less than equal to 1. Third, probability x less than 1. Fourth, probability x greater than 0, less than 2. Okay, please try this and let me know if you have any doubt.
Sir, at the end of the period, could you say, like in integration with limits, like there are some properties or limits, right, sir? So in which case do we use which property? Can you show how to do so?
You are asking about the definite integral?
Yes, sir. Like those properties, like how to use them in the equation.
Okay. So the best thing is, Nabil, first start with a property and first of all solve the questions. Okay, this we will discuss in the next class. Okay,
Yes, sir.
that will be better because I will again explain the property and give you the questions on the basis of that. So tomorrow, what you want to do, 3D or the definite integral
So we can do integration tomorrow, sir.
integration? Okay,
Yes,
that's
sir.
fine, Atif.
Yes.
Okay, then we will do the definite integral. Okay, Nabil, properties of definite. Let me know once it is done. Okay, and in case you have a doubt,
The
please tell.
rates can have values of 0, 1, 2, and 3.
Very good. That's correct.
So give me a shout to find the probability distribution.
Okay. So I hope Adib, you also get this one. X is 0, 1, and 2, and 3. Okay. So they're saying from a lot of 10 items containing 3 defective, a sample of 4 is drawn at random. Okay. So first is 0. So that means you are drawing 4 items and 0 should be defective. So from this 10, we have 3 defective and 7 not defective. Okay, so Nabil, when 0 means when you are drawing 4 items, none should be defective. So these 4 you will draw from which 3 or 7?
7, sir.
7. So 7 C O by, can you tell me 7C4 by?
4C, 10C4.
10C4. Very good. Okay, next is 1. 1 means 1 should be defective. So can you tell me what is the probability?
Uh, 6C4 by 10C4.
Uh, 1 defective means from this, in this 4 item, 1 should be defective right here. From this 4, okay, 1 should be defective, 1 defective, and 3 not defective. Now can you tell me?
Sir, 7C3
Good.
into uh, 3C4.
3C,
3C1
3C1. Very good. By?
by 10C4.
Very good. Good. Now this one, second.
7C2 into
7
3C2.
into 3C2 by
10C4.
10C4. This one, 3.
7C1
7C1 into, good,
3C3.
3C3 by 10C.
10C.
Very good. Okay. So you can calculate this. I know this. Now, please try this one. Tell me the probabilities. Okay. And it is better if you will do the calculation. Nabil and Atif, I need a break of 5 minutes. Okay. So if you wish, you can also take a break and then we will continue after 5 minutes. Thank you. Or you can solve this question, okay? Because it will take 5 minutes for this. So solve this. I will check in few minutes. Okay, Nabil and Atif, it is done then. Please let me know. Okay.
We're done, sir.
Okay, Atif, will you please tell me the answer?
Yes, sir. If x is 0, then p of x is 1 by 6. If x is 1, p of 1 is 1 by 2. If
Good.
if if x is 2, p of x is 3 by 10. If
Good.
x is 3, p
Yep.
of x is 1 by 30.
Very good. Good. Next,
Yes, so the answer of second one is 2 by 3.
2 by 3. Very good.
Yes,
This one.
so that is 1 by 6.
Very good. This one.
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Very, very good. Nabil, please confirm if it is done. And Zephyr, you have joined late. Okay, so our syllabus is completed, Zephyr. We are doing some questions of probability and then we will see some previous year questions. Okay, and tomorrow, Zephyr, we will revise properties of definite integral. Okay, so please complete all the questions of definite integral. And tomorrow, share your doubts with me. And if you don't have any doubt, then I will explain some questions and we will see some previous year question. Okay, but this will help only if you will solve the questions on your own. Because we have already completed one time, it will be better if you will do the questions on your own. So what you can do, Zephyr, complete all the assignments of definite integral till tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Nabil,
Sir, can you say how you got the second one?
this one.
Yes, sir.
So, okay. So x is less than equal to 1 means 0 and 1. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So add these two. Okay. So we are finding probability less than equal to 1. So that means px is equal to 0 plus px is equal to 1. Clear, Nabil?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please complete it and share your answer. Josefa, please reply me on the chat box. Is it clear, Josefa? No, no, not this question. Is it clear that tomorrow you have to complete the definite integral?
Done, sir.
Okay, Nabil, good, good. Nabil, and tell me all the answer, third and fourth. Uh,
One is 1 by 6 and fourth one is 1 by 2.
great, great. Josefa, we have already completed this probability distribution. So do you have an idea about this? Little bit. Why you have missed class, Josefa? Josefa, why you have missed the class? Uh, you have another class of which subject? Okay, 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 from the school. Okay, Zephyr, then please see the recorded lectures, okay, of this topic. Okay, okay, understood, Zephyr. So, please see the recorded lectures, okay? In summarized form, I will tell you right now. If coin is tossed twice, find the probability distribution. Find the probability distribution for the number of tails for the number of tails. Okay, all of you please try this question. So Josefa, we have already completed random variable. Okay, and on the basis of that, we have a probability distribution. So what we do in the probability distribution, whatever they ask us, we will take that as X. So for example, here they are saying find the probability distribution for the number of tails. Okay, so let me write it here. So a coin is biased so that the head is 3 times as likely to occur as tail. If a coin is tossed twice, if you're tossing a coin 2 times, Josefa, then they are saying find the probability distribution of the number of tails. If you are tossing coin 2 times, then what is the number of tails you can expect? Josefa? Yes, 2 is correct. And any other? If you're tossing 2 coin, how many number of tails we can expect? 2. Any other option? Very good. 0, 1, and 2. Okay. So here we write the random variable. So X is a random variable. Okay. We have written here. Now we will find out the probability. Okay. When you will represent this like this in this tabular form, this is called the probability distribution. Okay. So whenever they ask you about the probability distribution, find X, find the probability. That will be your final answer. Okay. Now here they are saying coin is biased so that the head is 3 times as likely to occur as tail. So first of all, please tell me what is the probability of head and what is the probability of tail. Okay. They are saying a coin is biased. So the head is 3 times as likely to occur as tail. So first tell me what is the probability of getting a head.
3/4.
3/4. Very, very good, Atif. That's correct. Very good. And what's the tail?
1/4.
1/4. Very good. So all of you, first of all, tell me what is the probability of head, what's the probability of tail. Then you need to find this probability of 0, 1, and 2. Okay. Try this and let me know in case anyone have a doubt.
Then how was it 3/4? Sir? It's only tossing it twice, right?
Yeah, but that we will see later on. Okay, Nabil, suppose if you are tossing a coin a single time and I will ask you what's the probability of head. You will tell me it is 1/2 and same with tail. Why? Because the possibility of getting head and tail is equal. Okay, but here they have mentioned a coin is biased. Most of the time, if you will see the language of the question, where the possibility is 50 and 50%, they always say coin is unbiased, an unbiased coin. Okay, but here the coin is biased. So the possibility of getting head is 3 times as likely to occur as a tail. So we can say probability of head is 3 times as likely to occur as a tail. Okay, and what is the probability of getting head plus probability of getting tail? You can tell me this, Nabil. This should be where right now we are talking about a single coin. Okay, so Nabil, can you tell me what is probability of head plus probability of tail?
1.
It is 1. Very good. What's the probability of head? It is 3 of pt. Okay, and it is pt. It is equal to 1. So 4 pt is equal to 1. So probability of tail is equal to 1/4. You can put the value here and you will get the probability of head. So, but this is about the one coin. Now you can see for 2 coins. Clear, Nabil?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Zephyr, please try this. Let me know in case you have a doubt. No, Sifa, that's not a final answer. That is, in case of a single coin, the probability of getting tail is 1 by 4, and probability of getting head is 3 of probability of tail. So that means 3 into 1 by 4, which is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, Zifa. So this we already have, this one. Now you need to find the zero. Means if you are tossing a coin 2 times, then first time also you should not get a tail. Second time also you should not get a tail. Okay, please try this. No, Zephyr, not 1 by 2. Zero means, Zephyr?
So for 0, will we say 4C1 into 4C1 by 4C2?
No, no. Why C1, Nabil? We are not selecting anything. Okay, we are tossing a coin. So suppose first time when you are tossing the coin, you should not get a tail. So I'm saying that first time you get a head, second time also you will get a head. Okay. Now, Nabil, can you tell me these two are independent event or dependent events?
Independence, sir.
Independent. So what's the condition for independent?
P of H into P of H.
Very good. Okay, I hope this is clear to everyone. This is a case of independent event. That's why we will get P of H into P of H, which is what? P of H is 3 by 4. Again, P of H is 3 by 4, which will give you 9 by 16. So here you will get a 9 by 16. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, please, everyone, try for one. And Josefa, let me know if you have a doubt here.
Sir, can you explain this question?
Okay. So Atif, this you already understood. Okay. Just give me. This you already understood how to find the head and tail. Okay. Now we have find out when we are tossing a coin single time, then what is the probability of getting head and tail? That is 3 by 4 and 1 by 4. Now zero means there should not be a tail. You are tossing a coin 2 times and you should not get a tail. So that means first time when you're tossing the coin, you will get a head, and second time also you will get a head. So that means first time I will get a head, and second time also we will get a head. Okay. Hope you remember when we were doing the multiplication theorem of probability, I already told you that whenever you have an AND, you need to use the intersection. So here we are saying probability of getting a head in the first row, probability of getting head in the second row. So that will be equal to, in case of independent event, if you remember this, then we have this formula. P intersection B is P into PB. Okay. So same thing we are doing here. So pH into pH, what is the probability of it? 3 by 4. Again, probability of it is 3 by 4, 9 by 16. Clear, Atif?
Yes.
Okay, great. So, Josefa, please complete the second one and share your answer.
Sir, for 1, is it on 2 by 16?
No, not 2 by 16. Yeah, how you have done this, Nabil?
Sir, I took like P of a probability of getting head on one and not head on the other one, plus
Hmm.
probability of head on tail on the first one and head on the other one.
Very good. pH into PT. pH is 3 by 4 into PT is 1 by 4 plus P of T is 1 by 4 into 3 by 4. So this will give you 3 plus is 6 by 16. Correct? So
Yes, sir.
this 3 by 8. Clear, Nabil?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great, great. So everyone, please check the second first. Okay, and please complete the last one.
So for 2, is it 1 by 16?
For 2, it is 1 by 16. Very, very good. Nabil and Josefa, please tell me the answer for this.
Yes, sir. I got 2 by 16. 1 by 16.
1 by 16. Good. Josefa, you're also getting the same answer? Very, very good. Now next one. Next, in last class, we have done mean and variance. Okay. Mean and variance, I will explain to you later on, Josefa. Before that, first of all, form a probability distribution. Okay. Uh, please try this one. Question is find the mean, find the mean, find the mean variance, find the mean variance and and standard deviation of the number of hits of the number of hits in a simultaneous toss off in a simultaneous toss off three coins of three coins. Okay, please try this question. First of all, form a probability distribution. Okay, form a table of probability distribution. Then I will tell you, Zephyr, the formula of mean variance and standard deviation. Okay.
So for 0, it's 1 by 8. For 1, it's 3 by 8. For 2, it's 3 by 8. For 3, it's 1 by 8.
Very good, Atif. Atif, you know the formula of mean variance and standard deviation?
Sir, I only know the formula for mean.
Okay. Just give me a minute. So this is x, this is p of x. Okay. Suppose this have the value x1, x2, x3. This have the value p1, p2, p3. Then I will write the formulas here. Mean, okay, it is denoted by x is equal to p1 x1, p2 x2, and p3 x3, and so on. Then we have a variance. Okay, variance of x, it is equal to p1, or we can say summation pi xi square minus summation pi xi whole square. Okay, so what does this mean? Here you have to find x square also. Okay, or I will write like this, that if this is xi, okay, this is pi. So here we will draw one more column where we will write the value of xi square. Okay, so you have to do the square of this, x3 square. Then here make one more column, and here you need to write pi xi square. So that means you need to multiply this p1 x1 square, p2 x2 square, p3 x3 square. Okay, that, and then find the sum of this, that will be equal to this one. Okay, minus what is pi xi square? You need to multiply this. This is nothing, this is mean. This means mean square. Clear, Atif?
Yes, sir. Is the mean 1 by 5? 1.5? Sorry.
Mean is 3 by 4. No. Just give me a minute. Yes, it is 1.5. That's correct. Mean is 1.5. Sorry. Okay, calculate the variance. And Josefa, let me know once you calculate the mean. Okay, in case you have any doubt, I will explain this to you. First of all, Josefa, make this table. Write the values of x, write the probability. Then I will tell you. Okay. And Nabil, please let me know if this is done.
Yes, sir. 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 2 by 8, 1 by 8.
1 by 8, 3 by 8, 3 by 8, and 1 by 8. Very good. Calculate the mean, variance, standard deviation.
So should we convert the values of mean and variance to decimal, or can you keep it in fraction?
In fraction also it is fine. Okay.
Sir, variance is 3 by 4, 0.75.
Variance is 3 by 4. Very, very good. Now the standard deviation, okay? The standard deviation, it is nothing, it is under root of variance. Okay, so just find the under root. That will be your answer. Who is left? Josefa? Do you get all these values? Josefa, please reply. Do you get all the values?
Sir, standard deviation is root 3 by 2.
Very, very good, Adit. That's correct. Okay, Josefa and Nabil, let me know once it is done.
Sir, is mean 3 by 2?
Very good, Nabil. That's correct.
Sir, is the variance 3 by 4?
Good, Nabil. That's correct.
And standard deviation will be under root 3 by 2.
Yes, under root 3 by 2. Very good. Josefa, please confirm. Is it done? Okay, then please try this question. This question came in CBSE 2022, okay, only last year. And this is of 2 mark. Please try this. And Josefa, let me know if you have any doubt, okay? Yes, Joseph, for probability distribution, you always need to make a table. Okay. The last question was done, Zephyr.
So for 0, we will say 39C1 into 39C1 by 52C2.
Two cards are drawn with replacement from 52 number of spades card. Okay, for 0, yes, 39C2 by 52C2. That's good. Just give me a minute. Okay, Nabil, what they're saying two cards are drawn simultaneously with replacement. Okay, so that means they have drawn one card, they have replaced that in 52, and they again. Okay, so first time when they are drawing a card, Nabil, and that should not be a spade, then what will be the probability?
39C1.
Yes, 30, 39C1. Yes, 39C1 by
39C1 by 52C2.
52C1. Okay,
52C1.
one card. Then you replace that card again in 52. Again, you are drawing a card. What will be the probability?
39C1 by 52C2.
Yes,
52C1.
52C1. Okay, so always check here. If they're saying with replacement and if they're saying without replacement, then you have to put the condition of conditional probability. Clear, Nabil?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great, great. Please complete. Josefa, you have completed the last question. Josefa, oh, okay, okay. You're getting the same answer, 3 by 2 root 3 by 2, 3 by 4, root 3 by 2.
Sir,
The last,
sir,
yes.
for 0 is at 9 by 16.
For 0, it is 9 by 16. Let me find out. 0, 1, 2. So for this one, if you will calculate, it is 3 by 4. So 9 by 16. Yes, that's correct, Nabil.
And
Very
for
good.
1 is at 3 by 16, sir.
It is 3 by 16. Okay. So
Sir,
for
sorry,
1,
the
okay.
6 by
So
16, sir. 6 by 16.
okay, let me check. So for 1, so that means the first card is not of a spade. So 3 by 4. Okay. And second is of a spade. So that means 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 into 3 by 4. So that means 6 by 16. So this means 3 by 8. Are you saying this, Nabil?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. That's correct. 3 by 8. Check the next one. Josefa, very good. Last one will be root 3 by 2. Okay. Now please try this, Josefa, and share your answer. Nabil, you get the last answer for 2.
Sir, is it 1 by 16?
1 by 16. Very, very good. Atif, is it done? Atif, is it done?
Yes.
Okay. Uzaifa, is it done? Okay, great, great. Okay, next question. Okay, now I'm giving you the question from previous year. Okay, and this can belong from any topic of probability. So the question is, a pair of dice, a pair of dice, a pair of dice is thrown, and the sum of the numbers, and the sum of the numbers, sum of the numbers appearing appearing on the dice, appearing on the dice is observed to be 7, is observed to be 7. Find the probability, find the probability that that the number 5 has appeared has appeared on at least one die. Okay, please try this question. And this is also from CBSE 2022, only last year question. Okay, and this is of 2 mark. Please try this. Okay, anyone can tell me how can we solve this question? Anyone? Huzaifa, Atif? Any idea? Atif, can you tell me how to solve this question? Okay, I will consider your silence as no. Okay, Nabil, we have completed the probability. Okay, so can you tell me that this question belongs to which type? Because in the exam, you will have the same issue. Yes, Nabil? Nabil, yes, you're not audible, Nabil.
Distribution.
No, no. In the question, they have not mentioned that you have to find the probability distribution. Okay, so from right now I'm giving you a question from the previous year. Okay, so that question can belongs to any type. This is not of probability distribution. Yes, Nabil. Any other guess or anyone? Anyone? Any idea this question belongs to which type? Okay, let me start. Then you can decide. Let A be the event. Let A be the event. Let A be the event. Okay, the first thing that the sum of the numbers that the sum of the numbers sum of the numbers that the sum of the numbers appearing on the die appearing on the dice is 7. Okay, let B be the event. B be the event that that the number 5 that the number 5 has has appeared appeared on at least one die. On at least one die. Okay. So Nabil, can you tell me what we have to find here? We need to find this probability of B. And what is the condition?
Provided A is occurred.
A has already occurred. Okay. They're saying a pair of dice thrown and the sum of the number appearing on the dice observed to be 7. So this is given. We need to find the probability of B. Okay. Now please try this question and share your answer.
Sir, what will be even here?
Yes, Nabil.
Sir, what will be even here?
E1. Nabil, this is a simple question of conditional probability. Okay, so first we will find A. A is pair of dice is thrown. Pair means two. A be the event that the sum of the number appearing on the dice 7. So 7 means 1 6, 2 5, 3 4, 4 3. Next is 5 2. Next is 6 1. Okay, then B is what? B is even that the number 5 has appeared on at least one die. So that means 1 5, 2 5, 3 5, 4 5, 5 5, and then 6 5. Okay, and with 5 you have more numbers, for example 5 1, 5 2, 5 2, then 5 3, then 5 4, then 5 5 already done, then 5 6. Okay, Nabil. So what's the formula of this? Condition probability B by, what's the formula? Yes, Nabil. What's the formula of this?
Sir, P of B by P of A.
No. That's not correct. In the first class, I told you this formula. In the first class, there's not based on the Bayes theorem. There's a direct conditional probability. Anyone can tell me the formula of this? Atif, Huzefa, Atif, Huzefa. This is a very simple question. Who can tell me the formula of
Sir,
this?
P of A intersection B by P of B.
Yes. B intersection A by N of A. Okay. Now, please complete this and share your answer.
Sir, is it 1 by 3?
1 by 3, I think it is correct. So 1, 2, 2 by 6, 1 by 3. Very good. This is correct. Huzefa, is it done? Huzefa, is it done? Okay, great. So let me share next question with you. Okay, just give it. This also came in CBSE 2022. Okay, the probability that A hits the target is 1 by 3, and the probability and the probability that B hits is 2 by 5 if if both if both try to hit the target hit the target independently independently uh, find the probability find the probability find the probability that the target is hit that the target is hit. Okay, please try this one.
The 2 by 15, sir.
2 by 15. Okay, let me check. No, that's not correct. 2 by 15 is not correct. Okay, this question also came in CBSE 2022. And this is of 2 mark. Okay, try this.
So target is hit is P of A intersection P of B, or is it P of A union B, sir?
Sorry, Nabil, will you repeat?
The probability of target being hit, is it P of A intersection B or P of A union B?
That should be union. Because if A will hit and B will not hit, that is also fine. Okay, if B will hit and A will not hit, that is also fine. Or both will hit, that is also fine. Okay, that should be union.
Sir, is 9 by 15. Sir, is 9 by
But
15.
yes, Nabil, that's correct. Very good. Final answer is 9 by 15. 9 by 15 means 3 by 5. That's correct. Zifa, is it done? Zifa, this question is done. Uh, oh, okay, Zifa, take your time. Okay, Zifa, same answer. 3 by 5, 9 by 15. Okay, great, Zifa. Just give me a minute. I will give you a new question. Just give me a minute, okay? Mm, Next is let x be a random variable. Be a random variable which assumes which assumes values x1 comma x2 comma x3 up to x4 such that 2p x is equal to x1 is equal to 3p x is equal to x2 is equal to p x is equal to x3 is equal to 5p x is equal to x4. Find the probability distribution of x. Find the probability distribution of x. Okay, so all of you please try this question. Atif, we have completed that question. Okay, if you have done that, please share your answer and then try this one. If anyone need a hint, please let me know. Okay. How to solve this question? Okay. Please check in a bit. So here, they have given you the random variable and its probability, but all are in the form of variable. Okay. So here we have x1, x2, x3, x4. Okay. So this is x, this is its probability. X is x1, x2, x3, x4. Okay. And here they're saying that for this one, twice of probability of x is equal to x1 is equal to thrice of this. This is given twice of p, this. So if we will assume let I will write here, let p of x is equal to probability of random variable 3. Let this be any variable. For example, let's take it as a y. So this 2p is equal to 3p, x is equal to x2 is equal to, I will say this 5p, x is equal to x4, and this is equal to this one. So we have taken this as a y. So that means 2px is equal to x1 is equal to y. So you will get px is equal to x1 is equal to y by 2. Okay. So Nabil, similarly, you can find this, and the sum of all the probabilities one. Now please try this.
Sir, is it 15 by 61 by 10, 10 by 61, 30 by 61, 6 by 61?
Very, very good, Nabil. That's correct. It is 15 by 61, then 10 by 61, then 30 by 61, and then it is 6 by 61. Very, very good. Is it done? Atif, Zephyr, Atif and Huzefa, is it done?
Yes.
Okay, Huzefa, is it done? Josefa, this completed? Oh, okay, okay, Josefa. So one more question, just give me a minute. Okay, next is, this is the last question, okay? The question is events A and B, events A and B are such that are such that such that probability of A is equal to 1 by 2, probability of B is equal to 7 by 12, and probability of A union B, it is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, then find whether the events find whether the events A and B are independent or not, are independent or not. Okay, please try this one. Very good, Nabil. That's correct. Atif and Uzefa, will you please confirm these two are independent or not? Atif and Uzefa, will you confirm this is independent or not?
Doing.
Okay, okay, okay. Very, very good, Uzefa. That's correct. Okay, okay, Atif, please let me know once it is done. Okay, so we will end our class. Tomorrow, please try to complete this probability and do definite. Complete all the assignments of definite. Then we will revise the same topic. Okay, Nabil?
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
okay, you're welcome.
Sir, are the events not independent?
Yes, these two are not independent. Very, very good. Okay, so Atif and Yusufa, please revise the